Well, hello there. I thought I would post a video review for the subscription meals that my wife and I just started. The name of the delivery service is CookUnity. Local chefs, local LA chefs, putting together prepared meals of all sorts of cuisines. And we've got egg rolls frying right now. This is frying up some egg rolls to go along with our first meals tonight, which is shrimp pancit canton. This is a Filipino traditional dish. It's a noodle dish, and it is crafted by Chef Stacy Pareng, apparently. Here you have nutritional information on the packaging. You've got the chef's recommended instructions, as you can see there. We've got the wok about to heat up, and you've got the fast instructions, which involves the microwave, of course. So let's open up the packaging. Shrimp pancit canton. So you've got some chopped up carrots, some green onions, obviously the shrimp. This is the sauce that goes with it. That's the seasoning sauce. And these are some greens. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but this is very rare to see, actually practically non-existent to us, to see Filipino dishes in a subscription meal service. This is the first one that we've seen ever, I think. Yes, and that's why we got two of the same thing. It's the only one they offered, Filipino-wise. So we're going to try that tonight. To go with some rice cooking in the microwave. Yes, in the microwave. It works. And some
Lumpia Shanghai.
Yep,
Lumpia Shanghai.
yes. That was made by my mom.
Well,
right? Did she make it, or
I don't think she made it, but she bought it.
Bought it, and we're cooking them up from the freezer.
Always good to have some
Lumpia
in the freezer.
Yes, egg rolls. So little, kind of relatively thin egg rolls. Maybe not the size or shape or type of egg rolls that you might be used to normally, but these are pretty traditional in terms of Filipino cuisine.
How's that look to you? Good?
That looks pretty good.
All right.
GBD, golden brown delicious. Okay, here we go. Wok is all heated up. Got the oil swirling around here. Other.
With some green onions.
Yeah, that'd be great. Always recommended to finish off pancit noodles, Filipino pancit noodles, with some citrus. And this is calamansi, which is a Filipino lemon kind of fruit. And it's perfect. It goes great. Helps to really add acid and cut through the richness of everything. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh ground pepper. A splash or two, or three. Alright, here is the end result. Got the steamed rice over here, the shrimp pancit canton, and the garnish of green onions on top, as well as calamansi on the side. There's the wife's plate. We're about to dig in.
And the egg rolls?
Oh yes, sorry. The Lumpia Shanghai egg rolls, fried up nicely by the wife, as well as some sweet chili sauce on the side. Now we're about to dig in. All right, we've had our first few bites of the dish. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
For pre-prepared pancit.
Yes, pretty good. So I added a little bit of extra stuff to it, just a little bit of soy sauce, as you saw, and some pepper, just to kind of zing it up a bit. But the calamansi, the citrus, definitely is a must, I would say, to go with any Filipino noodle dish at the end. It just really kind of brightens things up. And so I would say so far, this first meal from CookUnity is pretty dang good. Pretty dang good for a Filipino prepared meal delivered to us.
Yeah. Filipino food. Woo!
I know, we need to see more of those, more of our dishes on subscription meals for sure.
The ones that we got all ethnic
Yeah.
foods, right? Vietnamese, Korean,
Mediterranean. Yeah.
And curry.
Yes.
I don't know what kind of curry it is. Is it
I'm
Indian
not
curry?
sure. Yeah, some kind of a curry dish I chose. But yeah, so check out CookUnity when you get a chance. It is a little bit pricey, definitely compared to the standard subscription boxes. Like,
But if you go out to
Plated
eat, it's probably about the same amount if you really went out to eat.
yeah, something like that. So this is definitely not a monthly thing for us. I think it's every other month, every few months or so, something like that. But a nice alternative. So check them out, CookUnity. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the meal.
Bye.
Bye.